this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today I'm releasing 4 new memory verses for the next 4 weeks, or we're having a break next week and then we start memorizing on the 20th of October. It's the Beatitudes. I wanted to actually memorize this for a while, and now we actually have a sermon series at our church about the Beatitudes. So I thought it's a perfect opportunity to memorize it. So I think we all know it. Blessed is the poor in spirit, blessed is the meek, blessed is the merciful, and blessed is the peacemakers. Yeah, so I hope it's going to be a blessing to you. So obviously this is the verses, and then you've got the meditation sheets to go with it. And I'll get my book and I will make introduction page like I always do in the beginning of each month, like for instance here. And then stick my 4 meditation sheets, and also the practice sheets, which you can find. It is free. It's a free printable where you can get all the practice sheets, and you can make yourself a little box like this. I'm going to cut my cards out. I'm going to put it at the back so it's ready for the week we start memorizing scripture. So yeah, I hope you will join us this month or this next 4 weeks, and yeah, may God bless you. Bye-bye.